In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram story restyle option not showing. With the new Instagram update, whenever you're trying to upload anything with the Instagram story, you'll get to see the three dot line. If you tap on this one, here you get to see the restyle option. But for me, the restyle option not showing. So if you're still not getting the restyle option, then here is how we can fix and get it back. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Was not fix the problem from the Instagram story page. You just need to tap on this three dot line, and where the restyle option not showing, you just need to take a screenshot. And once you have done that, just need to get back from here, get back to the Instagram homepage, and then tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on this three dot line at the top right. And from this page, you just need to scroll down to the very bottom here, and you get to see the option called help. You just need to tap on help and tap on report a problem. Now toggle up this option, check to report problem, and then tap on report problem. And for this time, tap on include and continue. And first thing first, you just need to upload this screenshot. So I'm going to tap on upload and select the screenshot first. And once you're done, you just need to explain your problem here. And once you have typed in a problem, go and tap on send. And once you've sent the feedback, this will take some time and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.